In today's video, we're diving into a topic that can make or break your business. Strategic planning mistakes. Even the best companies slip up. We'll explore the top 8 most common mistakes that could wreck your strategy, and most importantly, how you can avoid them and keep your plan on track. Let's get started. The first mistake is failing to set clear objectives. Without clear, smart objectives, your strategy is like shooting arrows in the dark. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Vague goals lead to vague results. The second mistake is not involving key stakeholders. A strategy cooked up in isolation is doomed to fail. Involve your team early, listen to their ideas, and get everyone on the same page. The more people involved, the fewer blind spots. The third mistake is ignoring external factors. Ignoring factors like market changes, technology, and politics is a huge mistake. Always scan the horizon with tools like pastel analysis to stay ahead of the game. The fourth mistake is overcomplicating the plan. If your strategic plan is 100 pages long with jargon only a rocket scientist could understand, it's time to simplify. A complex plan kills execution. Keep it straightforward so everyone, from top to bottom, can get on board. The fifth mistake is lack of flexibility. A rigid plan will break under pressure. Build flexibility into your strategy. Have quarterly reviews and be open to pivoting when the market throws a curveball. Stay nimble. Stay ready. The sixth mistake is focusing only on short-term gains. Chasing quick wins is tempting, but it's short-term thinking that leads to long-term failure. Keep your eyes on the bigger picture and ensure your actions today support your vision for tomorrow. The seventh mistake is underestimating execution and giving up too soon. You can have the best strategy, but without solid execution, it's just a dream. And don't be quick to give up when things don't go as planned. Success takes time, and proper execution requires perseverance. Make sure you have the right team and systems in place, and keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Stick with it and adjust as needed. Long-term success is built on persistence. The eighth mistake is ignoring feedback and failing to track progress. Strategic planning isn't set it and forget it. You need to continuously track your progress with KPIs and listen to feedback along the way. Ignoring feedback means you're driving blind, while failing to track progress means you're just guessing. Stay engaged, measure your success, and make necessary adjustments to ensure you're on track and adapting when needed. There you have it, the 8 mistakes that could sink your strategic plan. But now that you know how to avoid them, you're one step closer to success. Enjoyed what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and like this video to join our community and never miss out on new content.